Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble the Mosin Nagant M44 carbine bolt. The Mosin 9130, the M38, and the M44 carbine all use the same bolt. To remove your bolt from your gun, you want to open up the bolt, pull the trigger, come right out. First thing you want to do is turn the safety on right there. Now you can slide your guide bar off. And you rotate it and your bolt head will come off. I think this is the hardest part of it, and it's not that bad. Now you got to unscrew your charging knob from your bolt body. You can take your guide bar, it's got a little notch in it. Firing pin's got flat sides. It's made to unscrew firing pin. And if you don't want to do it that way, you can take a hard surface. I've got a piece of oak here. It's kind of hard to do. You got to unscrew it. Then your firing pin spring will come out. Once you got everything disassembled, you can see all your parts. You got your firing pin spring, you got your firing pin, you got your bolt body, you got your bolt head, you got your charging knob or your safety. Then you got your guide bar. Now let's put everything back together. Take your spring, put it on your firing pin. Put it inside your bolt body. Now you want to compress your spring and start your charging knob. All you need to do is get it started. Then you can take your guide bar and you want to look on the back of your bolt. You got a firing pin, you want to turn it all the way up tight. Then you want to back it out about a turn. Need to be even with the bolt charging knob or just slightly below it. You've got little indicator marks on each side. You want to make sure they line up. That will turn the firing pin in the right direction, the right orientation. It's got to be flat. Now you want to take your bolt head, install it on your guide bar. You see you've got a little groove that goes over the tip. Should slide right in, rotate it. And you can see your slot on the back of your guide bar. It goes into a hub right here. Slide right on just like that. And you want to make sure on the front your little tip goes in the recess. Then you want to reinstall it back in your rifle. Make sure it operates. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching.